Ready to dive into the world of crypto and snag some Bitcoin? We'll show you how to do it quickly and safely with MoonPay. First, head over to MoonPay's website. You can find the link in the description below. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button. You'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and verify your email. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the main buying interface. Select Bitcoin from the I want to buy drop-down menu. Then choose the fiat currency you want to use from the I want to spend drop-down. Enter the amount you want to spend in your chosen currency, and MoonPay will automatically calculate the equivalent amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. This is crucial. Double check that you've entered the correct address. If you send your Bitcoin to the wrong address, it's gone forever. It's always best to copy and paste the address to avoid errors. Now, you'll need to verify your identity. MoonPay needs to comply with regulations, so this step is necessary. You'll typically need to provide your name, date of birth, address, and upload a copy of your governmentist ID, like a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once your identity is verified, you'll need to add a payment method. MoonPay supports various options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Enter your payment details accurately and follow the prompts to verify your payment method. After your payment method is verified, review all the details of your transaction one last time. Make sure the amount of Bitcoin, your wallet address, and the payment method are all correct. If everything looks good, click Buy Now to complete your purchase. Your Bitcoin purchase is now being processed. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed and the Bitcoin to appear in your wallet, depending on network congestion, and that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin using MoonPay. Now go forth and explore the exciting world of crypto.